Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to fix cellular data not working on any iPhone. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. In the Control Center, just open the Connection section, then tap on the Airplane mode and enable Airplane mode. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on the Airplane mode and turn off Airplane mode on your iPhone. And while you are here, just make sure that cellular data is turned on. If it is turned off, just tap on it and turn it on. Now, if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now once you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then go to Settings and tap on General. Now from here you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on Reset. Now from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Now just select Reset Network Settings. Now, this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the network settings of your iPhone. Now, once you have done that, and if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. Now, to fix this issue, just open Settings, then go to General. From here, just tap on Software Update. Now, from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, once you have done that, and if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix cellular data not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.